Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is the Arcana Folia Oracle deck that we're going to take a look at now. This is a US games deck, and it's by Nora Pascaleva. Arcana Folia Oracle is an invitation into the forest where we connect with the pure vibrations of flora and fauna. It was inspired by delicate and intricate essence of leaves. It's a sorry, I should finish that, shouldn't I? Lushly illustrated deck is a gateway to self-reflection and personal growth. So it's a really lovely little self-reflection deck. And they're round. They are circular. So you've got this little book that comes with it with a sacred scarab on the back. What have we got here? So you've got the introduction. Even spending 5 minutes hiking or doing something we love outdoors can renew our energy and prepare us for the road ahead. Let the pure vibration of plants clear your thoughts and energize your spirit. So this is all about us connecting with nature. Okay, tells you how to use the deck, how to ask questions. There are some sample spreads here and the card meaning. So you've got one card, one page for every card, and then it tells you what the card means. Okay. So that goes right the way through, and at the very end of the book you've got about the creator and a little notes section, which we love. Okay, so that's the book. I'm going to show you the cards. As I said, they're circular. There are, did I miss that? How many are there in here? How many are there? 50 round cards. So there are 50 cards here. They all have this on the back. They're like this lovely grey charcoal colour. Okay, let's have a look. That's number 50, so let's start with number 1. So you've got, I'm going to zip through these, and then you know the drill. If you want to actually slow it down, then you've got the control in your settings. And I love this. So you've got the main, and then you've got look for a divine test. So it literally is your guidance for the day. Aren't they lovely? They literally sold out as soon as they arrived in store the first time. I think we're still waiting on the shipment, actually, at the time of filming, but things change. I'm not going to sure when you're going to watch this. Really clever little illustrations, aren't they? Patience is key. Plot twist. That's the book. That's on the front of the book, isn't it? I like these. I'm never much of a fan for circular cards, but these are actually really impactful. Oh, I like when you find the pearl opportunity. They're just really clever. You know, obvious is like, not obvious, that's the wrong word. They're accurate, that's the word. So you've got the ladder to success, pack and go, a discerning friend, eats all your slugs, doesn't he? Choose wisely. I guess there's some nightshade in that. A person with a questionable moral compass. Sneaky person. Thoughts under that hat. Reflection in the mirror. Pomegranate. Oh yeah, temptation. Oh. I think you probably get most of these actually. Most out of these rather by doing the spreads that she. I'm just going to quickly pull you a card. Well, actually, it fell out. Let's carry on. We'll do 2 because that fell out. Oh, there's the other one. Okay. Right, you've got a companion and a love companion. Look at that. We've got love, true feelings for a discerning friend. So let's see how that pans out for the day. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for your time. Let me know what you think in the comments of the deck. Bye-bye.